It's hot, but we still want to ride our motorcycles. So let's get you geared up properly and safely, because if you ride around like a squid, I've got a video for you.
It only takes 0.03 seconds for the sneaker to burst, zero point 0.6 seconds for the jeans to disintegrate. Then, like a human crayon, his flesh is shredded by the coarse bitumen.
Law Tigers can help with a lot, but that is simply too much. So let's start with getting you a ventilated mesh jacket. There are lots of options to keep your skin covered. We've all gone to the beach and experienced a sunburn. You can get that while riding a motorcycle. Ventilated gloves, lighter pants, but all still with full protection and keeping you out of direct sunlight. So still opt for full gear, just go with something mesh. And as motorcycles don't have air conditioning, an evaporative vest underneath can actually help a lot. As the wind hits it and it's soaked with water, it'll give you a little bit of relief. And taking notes from our leathered up sport bike friends, nice base layers with water wicking ability and breathability are helpful. Now that you're geared up, a hydration pack can really help. And if you freeze it before you ride, you can ensure that you've got ice water and a nice cool backpack. But it's not always about the gear and things that you can do to accessorize yourself, but also checking the weather and timing. Maybe waking up a bit earlier or staying out later to ride in the cooler parts of the day can make a big difference. And timing for yourself. You may need to take several more rest breaks just to keep yourself hydrated and focused through the heat. It's amazing how quickly your body can deplete itself. I have certainly stood in several gas station beer coolers just to cool off and keep myself sane. No shame in it at all. Lastly, remember Law Tigers. Law Tigers are America's motorcycle lawyers that, should you or a friend need them, will go to bat against the insurance companies to make sure that you and your motorcycle get the compensation you deserve. Law Tigers aren't an insurance company, but they will fight against them to get you what you need. So there's more information on that in the description. My name is Alyssa, and stay cool out there. If I see you wearing this, I am taking your motorcycle keys from you. Catch you in the next one.